She's definitely photo shoot hair, like, yes, photo shoot, big hair. Channel. So today we have another wig review, yay! So today we are going to have a quick review that comes to us from SAMS Beauty. This one here is from the Converti-Cap. I have a couple wigs from this line, you guys. They just came out with a lot of new ones. And this time I jumped on board because they had some of my favorite colors. So this one here is going to be Honey Peaches, and I have it in my favorite color, DR2 Ginger Brown. So if you guys have not watched this one is from Sensation L. It is really pretty as far as the color is concerned. It is from their Sheer Mousse collection. So make sure you guys watch that. Okay guys, so let's jump right into it. This wig is in one of my favorite colors, which is the brown sugar. So this one here is almost like those old-fashioned ponytails where you get to scrunch it up. You get plenty of combs in here. So it is a half wig, and like I said, you can wear it like a ponytail. I was debating, okay, how do I want to wear this? I don't want to just wear it how it was, like just wear it and put a headband on it. So I wanted to get creative. What you see me doing here is going in and taking the roots and kind of straighten them out right in the front, because I'm going to like swoop this wig over to the side in the front. So all I'm doing, I got the heat on like about 200, and I'm just going in and I'm just doing some of the roots in the front of it. So that way, once I lay it down, put a little gel on there, it'll lay down and it won't be so curly, because it's curly right out of the package, obviously. So after you do that, decide which side you want to make a faux part on. I'm a left side part girl. Hey to my left side part gang. And so I just did went in and just used a little bit of gel, and then I just slicked it down. Now it's not going to be perfect, you guys, but you'll get the gist of it. So I slicked the one side down and I put a little bit of spray on there, and then I'm going to hold a blow dryer right there. You could tie it up if it's something you're going to wear, you know, like out for the night or something. Mine was fine with doing it like that. And then I took that other side and then I just laid that down. And that could be one way to wear it, where you don't, you know, see that big, you know, part in the front where it shows between, excuse me, you guys, where the headband starts and your hair ends. I couldn't talk for anything. So next thing I'm going to do is go in and put on my little cute pink headband. So this is to hold that other side back. If you don't want to like put a bobby pin or something there, then you can put on a headband, swoop it a little bit, you know, add some spray to make it look a little bit finished in the front. And again, you don't see that bump right in the front. So that came out really, really cute. Big hair though, girl. So the next thing I did was I wanted to pull it up in a ponytail, and I was thinking about making it like a bang in the front, but then I just like this up down look because I thought it was really, really cute. Throw on some big earrings or whatever, and then you got some cute birthday hair. The next thing I was going to do was show you guys how to pull this up into a top knot. Now I pulled it and took that ponytail, I put it in a top knot, and then I put on a black band so that it would blend it all in. This one here was really cute. You guys stay tuned for more pros. This wig comes with so much hair. It's just a lot. And with it being a half wig, you definitely have to get creative with the front. So I did it like this in the front. If I were you, I would do something like this, because your hair probably is not going to blend, and by the time you put it down or push it back more, it's going to make it even longer. But as you can see, I just kind of slicked down one side, which I didn't even do it perfectly, but you can get the gist of it. Just slick it down like that, and then take a little bit in the front. So I had to use the flat iron on this to make it not as curly, so that I could get it down in the front or whatever. So I didn't tie it down real tight, but if I was to wear it, I would have to tie that side down a little bit, just so that I can get this side, you know, down how I want it. But this is the gist of it. It's a lot of hair. I think that it's definitely maybe birthday hair or photo shoot hair, something like that. It does take well to heat, so if you want to go ahead on and straighten it out and get just like a long look, it does take well to heat. Other than that, you would have to go in and definitely, you know, play with this so that you can get the volume down. But if you're buying it, obviously you're buying it because you want all this gorgeous hair. And if so, sis, go ahead on, have your hair. Other than that, it's a half wig. It's not, you know, a forever wig. So don't think it's going to last forever. That's not going to happen. But all in all, I think she's cute. She's cute. She's a look. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.